Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add video in Webflow. This is a fantastic way to make your website more engaging and dynamic. Whether you're embedding tutorials, promotional content, or any video material that enhances your site's message. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to webflow.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard where all your projects and sites are managed. Now, look at the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Plus New Site. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with different site creation options, giving you the flexibility to start from scratch or use a template from the options presented. Select Blank Site. This gives you a clean canvas to work with. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your site's name. Type in whatever name you'd like to give your project, something that reflects the purpose or theme of your website. Once you've entered the name, click Create Site. Webflow will now set up your new project, and in just a moment, you'll be taken to the editor where the real design work begins. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll find the plus icon. Click on it to reveal a list of elements you can add to your page. Scroll down through this list until you locate the video element. When you find it, simply drag it onto the editor canvas where you want the video to appear. This action places a video container on your page, ready to be configured with your content. Now, open a new tab in your web browser and navigate to your preferred video hosting platform, such as YouTube or Vimeo. Find the video you want to embed on your Webflow site. Once you've located it, copy the video's link. This URL is what Webflow will use to pull the video into your site. Switch back to your Webflow tab. You'll notice that the video element you dragged onto the canvas has a URL field. Paste the link you just copied into this field. Then hit Enter. Webflow will process the link and embed the video directly into your site. You can now resize or reposition the video element to fit your design perfectly. And there you have it. You've successfully added a video to your Webflow site, making your web page more interactive and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.